Hey everyone, it's Megan with the Crafty Planner Lover here, and welcome back to my channel, or welcome if you're new. In today's video, we are going to be planning in my Hobonichi Cousin Health and Wellness Planner for the week of October 7th through the 12th using this Vampire Diaries monthly bundle kit by SammyLynnPlanning. Y'all, as you can see, my planner is super chunky and super big and very full, and I have to use a planner band to keep it together. And it's only October and we have 3 more months left in this planner. I don't know how big this is gonna get, but you know what? It's fine. So like I said, this is the monthly bundle kit from SammyLynnPlanning. This kit has already expired, but there's always a chance that she might bring it back for Black Friday. So keep an eye out on her Instagram. She will announce it if it does happen, but don't keep your hopes up. You know, sometimes they come back, sometimes they don't. It's a big question mark on that. But this is what the kit looks like. This is what you can get in the kit. We're going to try and use as much of this kit as possible in our 6 pages that are in this week. But without further ado, we're going to go ahead and actually jump into the planning, and we're going to talk about my love for Vampire Diaries. So what I'm doing is just using up as much of this kit as possible. For Monday, I really wanted to start off with Elena and the Dear Diary and the cemetery kind of thing, because that's how the first episode starts. And then of course Tuesday I was like, well, if I have Elena here, I might as well have Damon and Stefan on the other side, and so I'll have their, you know, Salvatore house and all of that stuff. And of course I had to include the Hello Brother wash script from the kit, so had to have that. And then I'm just playing around with everything from there. I don't really have a specific reasoning for laying anything down other than the Monday and Tuesday one. I'm kind of just filling in the extra space as much as possible. My family always says that Vampire Diaries is my depression show. Anytime I'm depressed, I watch Vampire Diaries, which is true. However, I also watch it during the month of October because I just feel like Vampire Diaries is a perfect, you know, spooky show to watch, and I don't know, I really love it. Have you guys seen Vampire Diaries? And if you have, please tell me who your favorite character is, because obviously we love Damon, obviously. However, I think my favorite character is actually Caroline, and I used to hate Caroline at the beginning of the season, but once she develops into a really badass character, I really like her. She is really good. The person who plays Caroline, I'm not a huge fan of. I think she's kind of not my favorite, but I really like the character of Caroline. I think she's really cool. And of course, we love Damon. We love Ian Somerhalder. He is just a beautiful man, and I think it's so funny that him and Nikki Reed both play vampires and they are married. I think that's just hilarious to me. If you don't know, Nikki Reed is Rosalie from Twilight. Friday and Saturday, I wanted to make sure that I had the big die cut stickers. I wanted to use those. So of course I had Damon and Stefan on one side and Elena on the other, just to fill in all of that space. I think it's so cute. I love how this is turning out, and I think that this bundle is just my favorite thing ever. I always really enjoy SammyLynnPlanning's bundles, and I haven't gotten one in a really long time, but I think they are still really awesome. I highly recommend you guys check it out. I am excited to see what this month's bundle is going to be, because for the month of September, the bundle was themed around like fall and things like that. So I'm interested to see if we're going to have another fall kit, or if she's going to go ahead and do a winter or Christmas themed kit. But I really love how this looks. I think that the Vampire Diaries theme is perfect. And you guys, I have to tell you, I thought it was so funny that the way my kits lined up, because if you saw my Hobonichi Cousin plan with me reel on my Instagram, I did Twilight for that week, and I thought it was just so funny that the vampire theme lined up. I wasn't purposefully trying to do that, but I think it ended up turning out really cute. So I am very happy with how this spread turned out, and just the theme and the timing. I think, I don't know. Do you guys like vampires? Are you vampire people, or are you more like, no? I honestly hate Twilight, but I love to watch it. It's like a love to watch kind of thing. With Vampire Diaries, I just love the drama. I don't know what it is. Alright everyone, that is it for this week and my Hobonichi Cousin Health and Wellness Planner. I hope you guys enjoyed seeing me use this kit. I hope you love Vampire Diaries as much as I do, because I am quite obsessed with it. I think it's just a funny show, and it's just a feel-good kind of show. I don't know if it's feel-good, but you know what I mean. If you guys like this video and you want to see more from me, don't forget to hit that subscribe button, hit the thumbs up if you enjoyed the video, and check out my Hobonichi Cousin Health and Wellness playlist linked at the end of this video and in the description box below. I will also leave SammyLynnPlanning's information in the description box as well, so you can check out her Etsy and see all of the fun things that she has, including the monthly bundle, which releases halfway through the month. So it'll be releasing in October, probably around October 15th. Once again, thank you guys so much for watching. Thank you so much for hanging out with me. I hope you enjoyed this video. And until next time, craft on. Bye guys.